Welcome to our educational video, where we'll take you on a fascinating journey to understand angioplasty and its role in improving heart health. Angioplasty is a medical procedure designed to open narrowed or blocked blood vessels, typically arteries supplying blood to the heart muscle. Over time, arteries can become narrowed due to the accumulation of plaque, a mixture of cholesterol, fat, and other substances. This can restrict blood flow to the heart, leading to various heart conditions. Symptoms of blocked arteries may include chest pain, shortness of breath, and fatigue. If left untreated, it can lead to severe heart problems. Now, let's explore how angioplasty works. Angioplasty begins with the careful insertion of a catheter, a slender tube, into the bloodstream. This catheter becomes the vehicle through which medical professionals navigate the arterial maze to treat blockages. The journey starts with identifying the optimal entry point for the catheter. This decision is based on factors such as the location of the blockage, accessibility, and the overall condition of the patient's arteries. Most commonly used entry points are radial artery and femoral artery. Radial artery, it is also called radial approach. The radial artery approach, often referred to as the radial approach or wrist approach, involves gaining access to the arterial system through the radial artery in the wrist. This approach has gained popularity in recent years due to its advantages, including a lower risk of complications and enhanced patient comfort. During angioplasty procedures, a catheter is carefully threaded through the radial artery, allowing for access to the coronary arteries. Patients who undergo angioplasty via the radial approach often experience quicker recovery times, reduced bleeding complications, and increased overall satisfaction. The femoral artery approach, also known as the femoral approach or groin approach, involves accessing the arterial system through the femoral artery located in the groin area. This traditional approach is characterized by a larger catheter size capability, making it suitable for more complex procedures. While the femoral approach may be associated with a slightly higher risk of complications and longer recovery times compared to the radial approach, it remains a valuable option in situations where a larger catheter size is necessary or when anatomical considerations favor this access point. The femoral approach is often chosen for complex angioplasty procedures and interventions such as stent placement. First, guiding catheters are skillfully maneuvered through the arteries, these providing a stable pathway for other devices. This ensures precise navigation and accurate placement at the site of the blockage. Once the guiding catheter is in place, a balloon catheter is advanced to the targeted area. The balloon catheter is a fundamental tool in angioplasty. It consists of a thin tube with an inflatable balloon at its tip is carefully positioned within the narrowed artery. Once inserted into the blocked artery, with utmost precision, the balloon is gently inflated. This controlled inflation compresses the plaque against the artery walls, widening the vessel and restoring proper blood flow to the heart. In cases where a stent is needed, a stent catheter is introduced. This specialized catheter delivers and deploys the stent, which acts as a supportive structure to keep the artery open. This tiny mesh tube is expanded within the vessel, acting as a scaffold to prevent re-narrowing and maintain proper blood flow. Medicines applied on the stent will prevent reaccumulation of plaque in that area. Angioplasty can provide immediate relief by improving blood flow to the heart, reducing symptoms, and enhancing overall heart function. Post-angioplasty, it's crucial to adopt a heart-healthy lifestyle. This includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, and medication adherence as prescribed by your healthcare provider. And there you have it, a brief journey through the world of angioplasty. Remember, early detection and intervention can be life-changing. Consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice and guidance. Thank you for joining us on this educational animation. Stay heart healthy and take proactive steps towards a happier, healthier life.